All right, here we are out here on the Big Blue. We're about as close hauled as we can get on this boat. I do have the staysail out, so this is really the staysail's first real run with the new anchors that I put in on either side of the cabin top here. Got it sheeted in nice and tight. The main is sheeted in nice and tight, and I've just got a little scrap of the head sail out just because we needed just a little more power to maintain that 5 or 6 knot speed. We were cooking along at 7 or 8 knots, but Tammy's eyeballs reached that point where they just get to be the size of saucers, and it is so much more important to find a speed where the crew is comfortable. So that is the configuration we are running. We were actually going to be heading to Black Point today, which is actually over there, but we could not quite hold that angle. So instead we're aiming off in this direction, a bit further north up the Exuma chain, and we're going to be going in Conch Cut and likely anchoring at a little island called Pipe Key. Once it gets some tension on it, it'll grab. Just about there, folks. Sonar's coming back online. We're in 400 or 500 feet of water. Just ahead of us there is Conch Cut. The boat's been doing really good. The ladies have been doing really good.
Rocky Dundas.
Such a big mushroom.
Here we are, folks. We've made it to the Exumas. Look at that fantastic water. There is just nothing like it, folks. Gosh, we love it here. It was not a particularly easy day. The wind did pick up quite a bit there, about halfway through, but I am absolutely amazed at how well this boat will handle bigger seas. I mean, seas that would have really been pushing the limits for our last boat, Sand Flea and Endeavor 32, but this boat just eats it up. And this boat is for sure tougher than the crew aboard the boat, but we hung in there, and I am happy to report that nobody got sick today. Molly, yes. You did not get sick.
I know.
I mean, how did you make it today? Tell everybody.
Sleepy.
Sleepy. So she had a half a boating tablet?
Yes.
Okay, she had half a boating tablet, and she made it through the day just fine, aside from being pretty much just drowsy all day, right?
Yes.
All right. Will you take that again, you think, or
yep.
what? Yeah. Okay. Good. Boning for the win.
Yep.
All right. Let's check in with. Oh, there she is down there. All right, Tamby, how did you do today on boning?
Great.
That's the answer, huh?
Yes, I did not get sick once or feel sick. It was wonderful.
Yeah, great job, Tammy. I'm so glad to hear it.
Thank you. I
have actually gotten to where I sort of was dreading these kind of open ocean passages, because I felt like it was me pretty much solo sailing this boat with two kind of unhappy women aboard, because, you know, they're seasick. But I think boning's going to be the answer for us. Dramamine knocked them both out completely, and boning does still kind of knock out Molly. Yes. But at least she's like, I don't know, she's there. She's able to talk to you. She's just kind of slurring her words and seeing like imaginary things in front of her, and, you know, smelling colors and that kind of thing, right, Molly?
I wouldn't go as far as to smelling colors and seeing imaginary things.
I'm just kidding. She just got kind of drowsy. Tamby,
yes?
We're in the Exumas.
Woo!
Oh man, does it feel good?
Yes.
Would you rather we wait on you to be not on the floor to film this clip, or is this okay?
This is fine.
Okay, can I help you with something over there? You getting dinner ready?
I'm getting dinner ready.
Okay.
No, I don't need help on that.
And what's for dinner tonight?
We're having hot dogs, macaroni and cheese, and baked beans.
Say that same sentence, but say a gourmet dinner of in front of it.
A gourmet dinner of hot dogs, macaroni and cheese, and baked beans.
Oh man, I'm so excited! Yes, a gourmet dinner, Molly. Did you hear that? Yay. Gourmet! Okay, wait, two noteworthy things that I want to point out really quick before we end this video. One is the stay sail did fantastic. That is our first time ever running the stay sail, and I love that thing. It is so easy to use, aside from being like a big pile of sail on the deck here, because it is indeed a hank-on sail. That's a little bit of a problem, but I don't mind it. The simplicity of it is just beautiful. It's self-tax, it's easy to hoist, it's super light, and I can trim the sucker in tight and get some really tight angles, you know, on the wind with it. Okay, that is one thing, a success with the stay sail. The other thing is I jury-rigged up a boom vang. So I have this red rope wrapped around the mast. This is a prusik knot, a big gigantic prusik knot, and then it goes into a block there and a block there, and then another couple wraps on the mast right there. So this is our boom vang. This boat really did not have a boom vang prior to this sail today, but I rigged this sucker up, and it really does keep the boom down. It keeps the sail from bellying out, which pulls the boom up, and it does work. I will say that this little Vang I built is for sure undersized for this boat, but hopefully it'll do the job, you know, until we can get back and I can get proper, you know, materials and parts to construct a proper Vang. But until then, I'm running this little makeshift one here, but it worked just fine. Okay, I'm gonna wrap it up now. Thank you so much for watching this video. We're very happy to be in the Exumas. We hope you enjoyed it, and stay tuned. We'll see you next week.